Here we have the new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. And this one comes in the LTZ trim level, and it's a Carhartt edition. The exterior color consists of mosaic black metallic, and the interior is going to be jet black with Carhartt Brown perforated leather interior. And the powertrain consists of a 6.6 liter turbocharged 8-cylinder engine, made it to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. So as we get to the front end here, you have your LED headlamps along with your LED daytime running lights and your LED fog lights. You have your trailer lights up top there. There you have your 20-inch aluminum wheels. There are the controls for your power door locks, windows, mirrors, as well as your memory seating. Get a nice Bose sound system. There are your headlamp controls, four-wheel drive controls, etc. Electronic parking brake, heads-up display controls. There's your power driver's seat, power lumbar support. So next on to the rear seat. So plenty of room back here. I'm 6'3" and I'm able to sit in the seat in front of me with plenty of space, and then still have a lot of room here in the back. And there are the controls for your 3-stage heated rear outboard seats. Then you have a USB-C, USB port. And there are your cup holders in the middle seat. But now let's go on to the tailgate. And there's your rear end with your LED tail lamps. So you have a one-touch down tailgate, and this one has your spray-in bed liner. Then you also get one touch up as well. So really nice there. So there's your power passenger seat with power lumbar support. Next, we're just going to take a quick peek at what's under the hood. And there's that Duramax 6.6 liter. And now from here in the driver's seat, you get a nice leather wrap heated steering wheel. And here's your radio here. You have AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. You have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. And there's a navigation system. There's your backup camera. There's your front camera. And then you have curbside views as well. And then you also have your dual zone automatic climate controls along with 3-stage heated and cooled seats. And then you can control your exhaust brake from here. your lane departure, parking sensors. You can also control that tailgate as well from up front if you're having somebody else load stuff in. There's your 3-prong household plug-in, trailer brake controller, your USB and USB-C ports there. You have a wireless charging pad, cup holders here, and a really nice center console space. Then you also have the power tilt and sliding sunroof on this one. And all that's one touch. You also have a universal home remote, and you also have your power sliding rear window as well. Over here, you have your glove compartment with your owner's manual, and then your second storage cubby up here. You have your cruise controls, which you can toggle on and off. Your forward collision alert, you can adjust the gap for that. That heated steering wheel toggle. And then you have your Bluetooth controls as well as your gauge cluster. You can go through that using the arrows here. And then behind the steering wheel on the right side, you have your volume controls. And behind the steering wheel on the left side, you have your radio station controls or your favorite controls. And there's the heads-up display. And you have several different views for that. And there's your push button start. Finally, here's your key fob with remote start. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this Silverado 2500 out on the road for a quick test drive. So really good acceleration, nice and crisp with the 10-speed automatic. We're gonna give it some throttle here getting on the interstate. And even though the ride is bouncy with it being a heavy-duty truck, the seating is very comfortable and the ride itself is not harsh. So it didn't break my back or anything coming down the ramp. And cruising here at 75, I'm getting about 15 miles a gallon on the highway. Of course, this was no load or anything like that, but I mean, still really good. Of course, coming down this slight incline, I'm getting 20. But overall, really nice driving experience. Not a lot of play in the steering wheel, which I like. And really good brake power there. And even though this is a big truck, I really like how easy it is to maneuver on just your regular streets. You have blind spot monitors along with the tow mirrors here. Visibility is really good. And it's really not hard to control. And I really like this truck because even though it is a heavy duty truck, when you're not having to worry about towing something or anything like that, it's actually pretty fun to drive. And I really do love the Carhartt Edition, just the blacked out badging and just the overall black and yellow on the outside, then the brown and black, or I said black and yellow, well, yeah, that is right. The black and yellow on the outside, and then just the brown and black on the inside. It just looks really, really nice. But as I come around this last corner, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Silverado 2500 LTZ Carhartt Edition.